Welcome to the channel. Today we're mastering the pronunciation of the word asynchronous. It might seem like a mouthful, but don't worry, we'll break it down so you can say it confidently. The correct pronunciation is asynchronous. First, we have I, where it sounds like the A in say, then sin, where it sounds like sin in sinner, next crow, which rhymes with row, finally nus, where nus sounds like nus in bonus. Let's put it all together slowly. Asynchronous. Now repeat after me, asynchronous. A little faster, asynchronous. And at full speed, asynchronous. Keep practicing and soon it will feel natural. Now that you've nailed the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Asynchronous refers to things happening at different times or not occurring simultaneously. In tech, it's often used to describe processes that don't happen at the same time, like asynchronous communication or programming. That's it. Now you know how to pronounce asynchronous and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, share it with others, and comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.